Yo, check it, we're diving in the scene. Automate the game, keep your comments clean. Me, Facebook ads, got the filters on lock. ChatGPT is the key, we're about to rock. New comment drops, we check if it's spam. If it is, it's gone, like it's part of a scam. But if it's real, we reply in style. Save the data to sheets, yeah, we're going the extra mile. Filter reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel the beat. Facebook ads, keep them spam free. Pabbly connect and ChatGPT is the key. Running ads on Facebook, getting comments fast. We need to sort the good from the bad, make it last. Using Pabbly Connect, the integration's tight. Like trigger when it happens, do it day and night. Connect your Facebook, get the page linked up. Admin access needed, no need to bluff. Post a comment, get it processed quick. Map it to the flow, automation slick. Filter reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel the beat. Facebook ads, keep them spam free. Pabbly Connect and ChatGPT is the key. Spam detected, delete it right away. Genuine comments, got replies to say. Details in the sheets, keeping track of it all. This automation flow is the future, y'all. Router steps in, bridges out the way. Genuine or spam, we know what to say. Conditionally run, keep the workflow clean. This automation process is a digital dream. API connected, prompts all set. ChatGPT answers, no need to fret. Create your free account, start to integrate. Pabbly Connect and ChatGPT, we dominate. Filter reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel the beat. Facebook ads, keep them spam free. Pabbly Connect and ChatGPT is the key. So if you're running ads, wanna keep it tight, right? Automate with us, do it day and night. Filter, reply, save it to the sheets. ChatGPT and Pabbly Connect, the unbeatable fleet complete.